In this video, I tell you how to earn $2,197 just by listening to music, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. How to do it, we're about to discover. This is how to earn $4.50 per song by listening to music. So, if you do get value from this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell. In that way, I will let you know whenever I have come up with an innovative method to make money online, so you can be among the first to use it. Thus, of course, strive to make the most profit. The first thing you need to do now is going to SoundCloud.com. You can locate and listen to music or songs on this site. This website is free. You do not have to pay anything to become a registered user on SoundCloud. As you can see here, there's an expanse of trending music that you can listen to, and all this music is available in different languages. Another advantage is that you can now download SoundCloud into your cell phone. It doesn't matter whether you are using an Android phone or an iPhone. You will still be able to download the free app. If you're using an Android phone, you can go to the Google Play Store and search for SoundCloud Music and Audio, and the app will look similar to this. Just ensure to download the proper app. If you're operating an iPhone, visit the App Store app to download the same program. Leave a comment below and let me know what device you're using. Are you utilizing an Android phone or iPhone? Downloading the SoundCloud app now gives you access to several popular musics that may interest you. Inside the app, I scroll down below and then click on this button, which leads me to explore trending playlists. There, we will be taken to another page. You can see all the trending music listed according to their categories. For example, if you want to listen to this tune within this category, simply click on it, and at that point, you will be directed to the page. Then, in order to listen to this tune, you need simply click the play button, and this music will start. There is a playlist associated with this song. In this playlist, you will find over 50 tracks. You can listen to them all from your smartphone or desktop computer. Now that you know how to find music on SoundCloud, I would like to introduce you to azlyrics.com, where you can find different lyric info. There are a lot of songs available on this site. For example, if I am looking for the song's lyrics by Charlie Puth, Light Switch, I have to enter the artist name or song title here and choose a song from this drop-down result. Then I will be taken to this page to just listen to the music. I want you to pay close attention to what comes next so you don't make mistakes. As you will notice here, this is the tune's title, and these are all its lyrics. This is an extraordinary occasion for you to listen to your song and transcribe the lyrics. For a very simple audio clip, such as this being estimated at approximately 2 to 4 minutes long, you can make quite a few dollars repeatedly by simply transcribing the lyrics. Now, have a look at this. If you make the equivalent of 1 minute of music, you will receive $1.50 simply by listening to it and transcribing it into lyrics. The standard period of a conventional song is around 3 minutes. Based on the revenues from such a sale, you can make $4.50 for each third of this sort of music. So then you have to go to the following place, which is rev.com. This website offers different jobs of transcribing several songs. There are several categories of jobs to do, such as transcription, captions, and foreign subtitles. For example, if you listen to the music provided here and transcribe it into lyrics, you will earn money for each minute of audio you transcribe. Stay tuned to my next video, as I'll be discussing several software you can use at no cost that will take all the work out of your hands. Let's now go back to rev.com. Scroll down to the bottom of the website, and then click on Freelancers under the About Us section. You can work on an online transcription or a live captioning platform while watching TV or movies in your home. The best part is making your schedule and working when you want. You're also free to pick and choose the assignments that genuinely interest you. Most assignments will be compensated weekly after being finished and sent directly to your PayPal account. You'll discover 2 different categories at the bottom of this website, transcriptionist and captioner. I deeply want you to choose transcriptionist and then click on Learn More. That will then take you to this page, where you can read more about the process for signing up and getting permission for transcription. For example, you should enter your first name, last name, email address, and country to complete this process. As you can see here, they're accepting people worldwide. It doesn't matter where you are coming from. You can participate in this occasion from anywhere in the world right now. With that in mind, please leave a comment to share which country you're watching this video from below, and therefore, I can publish videos tailored to your exact region in my future videos. Now, I'm going to demonstrate to you another site that you can use to edit the lyrics so that you can earn even more money. During another website, you can sign up, listen to music, and earn money by simply transcribing the lyrics into lyrics is GoTranscript.com. Simply go to GoTranscript.com, scroll to the very bottom of the page, and click Work. You pay competitive rates for transcribing online jobs. As you see here, for each audio or video content minute, you get paid 60 cents. That indicates that for a typical 3-minute song, you can earn $1.80 for listening and transcribing it. As you can see, there are numerous significant benefits associated with working with GoTranscript.com. So, if you'd like to sign up and start using our site, all you need to do is just click here to apply. And from there, you'll be taken to this account setup page, where you can easily create your own free account. You need to enter your email address and password and click the signing button, so it's that straightforward. I offer you an additional tip by letting you know that you should sign up for more websites, such as GoTranscript.com and Rev.com. These steps will allow you to gain worldwide freelancing opportunities, set up an account on 2 websites, and make enough money from transcribing music into lyrics. Here is the next step. I want you to go to this website. Atranscribed.com is a free website program that makes the transcription practice simple. Now, please click on this blue link over here to begin your transcription process. All you need is a link or the download music files to start. For example, if you go to SoundCloud.com to get music to transcribe, you should be able to find this share button. When you click on this button, this box will open where you can locate a link to this particular music file. This is the complete hyperlink to that music track. Just copy the hyperlink below and download that music file. It then is simply a matter of following the next simple steps. Simply click on this button right here to upload the song you are just downloading. And from there, this free tool will help you automatically transcribe the entire soundtrack. But you will have to transform any grammatical mistakes into your own words. At this point, I will offer you another powerful tip that can significantly increase your earnings. When you decide to go to Rev.com, you can observe that a general transcription task pays $1.50 per minute, but when viewing a foreign translation, payment from $3 to $7 is generally made per minute. As higher than average earnings, here's more info for you. Finally, let's go back to SoundCloud.com. You can listen to different music in a foreign language, not in English. They are more likely to compensate you a higher rate because it's challenging to transcribe music from a foreign language into the English language. This leads us to the next website, DeepL.com, an online document translator. You can use this utility to translate music, such as the music performed in Portuguese into English. It can also perform the reverse translation of English music into your preferred languages, such as French, German, or Spanish. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the notification bell for more videos. See you in the next video. Goodbye.